We're here for a very special purpose, is to introduce and to launch our blanket drive for Syrian and Iraqi refugees that are living in Turkey. This whole project started about 1 year ago, exactly almost a year ago, in October of 2013, when several of us traveled to Turkey at the invitation of the American-Turkish Friendship Association, and we traveled to a city by the name of Adana. And at Adana, we were greeted warmly and were asked if we would like to see a Syrian refugee camp, a place that none of us had ever seen before. And when we went there, we were surprised and appalled and wanted to know how we could help. And they told us how we could help us by sending some blankets.
This is a no-budget item, and so we are collecting blankets at various locations, including government centers and libraries and churches. We have our Faith Communities in Action in Fairfax County has mobilized among all religions to collect and then to send blankets. And then Paxton Van Lines is picking those blankets up, delivering them to Maersk Shipping Company, and they're being shipped free of charge to Turkey. So this is a really wonderful partnership. It's one of the sweetest things, I think, that I've ever participated in. I'd like to thank the Pinnacle Academy. We have students here today who have been collecting blankets, and so they're going to be among the first to make their contribution.